If you've ever saved a notebook in Google Drive and wondered how to open it in Google Colab, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to open a .IPYNB notebook straight from Drive, and I'll also show you what to do if Colab doesn't appear in the menu. This is a simple workflow that saves time and makes it much easier to work on Python notebooks without downloading anything manually. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with the account that contains the notebook you want to use. Once you're inside Drive, look for your notebook file. You're specifically looking for a file with the .IPYNB extension, which is the standard notebook format used by Google Colab and Jupyter notebooks. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar to find it faster. After you locate the notebook, right-click on the file. A menu will appear with different options for opening and managing the file. From that menu, click Open With. This is where Google Drive lets you choose what app should handle the notebook. If Google Colab is already connected, you should see it listed right away. In that case, just select Google Colab, and the notebook will open in a new Colab tab. Once the notebook opens in Colab, you can start editing, running cells, and working on your code exactly where you left off. This is the fastest method if Colab is already available in your Drive menu. But sometimes Colab is not listed, and that's totally normal. If you don't see it, click Open With again, and then choose Connect More Apps. This opens the app marketplace for Google Drive. In the search box, type Colab. When Google Colab appears in the results, click it and connect the app to your Drive account. After connecting Colab, go back to your notebook file, right-click it again, and repeat the Open With step. Now Google Colab should show up as an option. Select it, and your notebook will open successfully. From there, you can begin running code, loading data, and continuing your project without any extra file conversions. A quick tip here. If the notebook opens but looks like a blank or unreadable file, make sure you're opening the actual .IPYNB notebook and not a renamed file or exported copy. Also, if you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're signed into the same account that has access to the file and the Colab connection. That's all there is to it. Opening a Google Colab notebook from Google Drive is just a few clicks away once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want to see more Google Drive or Colab tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.